The 7 Muda, also known as the 7 wastes, are a concept in lean manufacturing that identifies 7 types of non-value-adding activities or practices that companies should aim to eliminate from their processes. These wastes were originally identified by Taiichi Ohno, the father of the Toyota production system. The purpose of recognizing and addressing these wastes is to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase overall productivity. Here are the 7 Muda. 1. Overproduction. This is the most significant waste. It occurs when you produce more than what is immediately required by the customer or the next process. It leads to excess inventory, increased carrying costs, and can hide other problems in the production process. Overproduction can make it harder to identify defects or bottlenecks. 2. Inventory. Excess inventory ties up capital, storage space, and resources. It can lead to obsolescence, damage, or increased handling costs. In Lean, the goal is to have just-in-time inventory, meaning you produce and move items only when needed to reduce these issues. 3. Waiting. Waiting is any idle time that occurs in a process when work is not being done. It can be waiting for materials, machines, information, or approvals. Waiting wastes time and resources and reduces overall process efficiency. 4. Transportation. Unnecessary movement of materials or products between processes or locations. Excessive transportation can lead to damage, delays, and increased costs. The aim is to minimize the distance and handling needed for materials to flow smoothly. 5. Motion. This waste pertains to unnecessary movements made by workers while performing their tasks. Unoptimized workstations, tools, or processes can force employees into awkward or time-consuming actions, leading to fatigue, errors, and reduced efficiency. 6. Defects. Defective products or parts that don't meet quality standards are a significant waste. They require rework, repair, or disposal, which adds costs and delays to the production process. Finding and fixing the root causes of defects is crucial. 7. Overprocessing *. Doing more work than necessary to produce a product. This often involves adding unnecessary features or quality beyond what the customer requires. Overprocessing increases production costs and can lead to longer lead times without providing additional value. Lean principles aim to identify and eliminate these types of waste to streamline processes, improve quality, reduce costs, and enhance overall efficiency. This not only benefits the organization but also enhances customer satisfaction by delivering higher quality products or services at a lower